Welcome back, guys, and today I'll be showing you how to make a Lego Stap Speeder. So here are the pieces you'll need. So you first take two of these pieces right here, and then you want to take two of them, I just said that, and then you want to put it like this. And then you want to take two of these pieces, and then put one like this, the other one, wait no. So, like that. And then you want to take a cheese slope. Any color doesn't matter. And then you want to put it just like this. And then you want to take a jumper plate, put that on there. And then you want to take this big cheese slope, put it on there, so it should look like that. And then you want to take a big cheese slope, and then take this handlebar. You want to put that on there, so it should look like this. And then you want to take this piece, and then put that on there, so it should look like that. And then last, you want to put it like that. So there's a little gap here. So hopefully you enjoy this video. Here is the stap.